everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today we are going to sign up or create a new Blogger account. Blogger is a blog publishing service that allows multi-user blogs with time-stamped entries, and the blogs are hosted by Google and generally accessed from a subdomain of blogspot.com. Since Blogger is linked with Google account, you'll need to sign into Google. Before starting, go to your web browser and type www.blogger.com. Enter. This is the official page of Blogger. To create new account, click on create your blog. After you do so, you'll need to enter your Gmail ID. Next. Now enter the password. Next again. Choose a name for your blog. Click next and enter the address for your blog. It should be unique. After you do that, click next and confirm your display name. How would you want your name displayed to readers of your blog? Type in the display name and click on finish. Now this is the home page. You can start a new blog by clicking on create new blog, or you can go to new post in order to create a new blog. And that is how you create a Blogger account. It's pretty simple and easy, and after that you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial soon.